Hey there, future homeowner. I'm Angie, your strategic real estate partner. Today we're going to be talking about what your realtor should be doing for you. So what exactly should my realtor be doing for me as a buyer? Today we're going to break it down. Whether you're talking about a buyer's agent or a listing agent, there are industry standards, what everyone needs to do, and then that extra push. How do I help you have the most stress-free, beneficial transaction when buying a home? The whole pack is running to get your business, so what's the difference? I bring more than just property listings. I deliver strategic insights tailored to your unique vision. From neighborhood nuances to market trends, it's about ensuring that you make informed decisions in your home search. Coming from out of town? How about a virtual reality tour? Can't decipher neighborhoods? You'll have a detailed scouting report on your potential neighborhoods, including information on schools, recreational facilities, safety, and local events. Want more? Like dog-friendly venues or the best local park? Just ask. Creating your unique home space is definitely possible. From neighborhood nuances to market trends, it's about ensuring that you make informed decisions in your home search. I can provide a comprehensive cost of living analysis for each potential neighborhood, including property taxes, utility costs, other expenses, and I can help you make informed financial decisions. And how about financing? No one wants to be stuck with a big bank lender who never returns your call or lets you finish your sentence. I take steps to help you understand the financing options available to you. I connect buyers with vetted lenders that cater to their specific needs. I partner with local experts who provide insights on how your financing can be customized to meet your unique needs. And our journey doesn't end at closing. It's just the beginning. I'm committed to offering ongoing support. From post-closing assistance to personalized resources, I'm not just your realtor. I am your advocate and partner in homeownership. Let's connect so I can show you your key to a personalized home journey uniquely crafted to your family. With me, it's not just a house, it's your home. So call, text, or email today to get started. And hey, don't forget to subscribe.